Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update, day 72. Well, not really day 72, it's video 72. This is the longest renovation in history of renovations. So it's been a while since I've done an update and there's been a lot going on here. So let's take a look around. So as you can see over here, we have an entrance table, which is very cool. Kitchen pretty much still looks the same. There are the lights. Bathroom looks the same. I was having the shower glass installed and the absolute morons drawed into the pipe, so that needs to be fixed. They're busy fixing that, and then the glass can be installed. Let's take a look around at the rest of the place. You've seen the beautiful cupboards over here with the light, and here's the bed with the floating bedside table. Here's the couch. I think this is the first time you are seeing the couch. Here's a coffee table that I've got. Flipping around to this side, we've got this ladder over here. And there's my TV finally on the wall with the TV unit that got put up yesterday. That looks very nice. Here's my reclaimed origin, however you pronounce it, dining room table with my chairs from Decofern. Looks very nice. Here's a table which is going to go over here once the shower glass is installed. Table came from Decofern, chair from Decofern. Those chairs are from Decofern. That's from a place called Resprout. This coffee table, the entrance table, and the ladder I bought from Takealot. Asked me for the link, it was very cheap. This was custom made. This I bought secondhand. It's from Belleville Furniture or something, but it's only a year old, basically brand new. And the bed base and the mattress and the pillows which are there are from Sloon, of course. Kindly gave me the mattress, but I bought the headboard and I bought the base. Oh, and these bar stools are from Decofern. So I think that's it. Lastly, we've got blinds. So these are 4 individual blinds. As you can see, those 2 are open, those 2 are closed. I can open as I need. Also very nice, very affordable. So yeah, if there's anything in the flat that you'd like for your apartment or your home, feel free to send me a message in the comments below, and I will definitely tell you where I got it. So I'm nearly there, just need to get the shower glass up. The grouting is really messed up. The person that redid it just did a terrible job, so I'm gonna just redo the whole grouting to make it nice, and then I am good to go. Then the place needs to be cleaned and I can get more furniture in, whatever I need to put here, and I'm done. So don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe. Cheers. Oh, I forgot to show you. We've got fake grass outside the door, which looks very nice.